In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger unable to load camera roll problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your Messenger is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, click on search bar, search for Messenger, click on Messenger, up to date your Messenger to latest version. Then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Messenger app, click on Messenger, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now click on permission, click on photos and videos, allow this. Now click on music and audio, allow this. Click on microphone, allow this. Camera, allow. Now open Messenger app. Now log into your account. Now click on save. Not now. Not now. Now click on photos icon. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger unable to load camera roll problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.